Yeah, it's first of all, what is a procedure? It's emergency situation can be initiated by proposal of Commission and agreement of Council. So this is one thing. Second, definitely it's related with, first of all, with real crisis, and Article 42.7 is part of that. But here is a specific item where we're speaking only about military mobility. Article 42.7 covers much broader mutual support of member states towards member states which is facing aggression. So here we have, more specific target, and that is what we need to have, and that is what we are in different, regulations now related with defense. We are introducing some kind of specific regulations for real crisis period of time.
Thank you.